By the time you finish this video, you'll never need another lip sync avatar tutorial. Why? Because I'm giving you every secret, every tool, and the best part, you won't spend a single penny. $0, zero hassle, and results that'll blow your mind. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me. No subscriptions, no sneaky fees, no watermarks. Just you and a perfectly synced avatar ready to wow your audience. But before we get to the fun part, let me show you exactly why this method is a game changer. We've all seen those gurus pushing expensive AI avatar tools, making you believe there's no other way to create professional avatars unless you pay up. Well, I'm here to prove them wrong. The method I'm about to show you is 100% free at the time of this recording, and it works. Now let's jump into how you can get your very own lip sync avatar for free. To get started, head over to Infinity AI and dive into creating your custom avatar. No sign up required. Jump right in and create your lip sync avatar for free. It's super simple. If you've already got an avatar, just upload it. But if not, no worries. You've got access to an exciting lineup of unique characters ready to bring your vision to life. It's packed with iconic choices, from Elon Musk to the popular Flux Girl and even trending TikTok influencers. You'll find the perfect character to match your vibe. For now, let's create our avatar using a simple text-to-image option. Just type in something like TikTok girl influencers, hit generate, and voila! Your avatar is ready. Not happy with it? Just hit generate again. There are no limits. The only limit here is when you're completely satisfied. Let your creativity run wild. If you already have your voiceover ready, just upload it. But for now, let's dive into text-to-speech. Just type in your text and you'll see a few voice options. For now, let's go with the default. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. Don't worry, if you stick around till the end, I'll show you a trick to unlock even more voice options. And now for the final step, just click generate video and sit back as the magic unfolds. Watch your creation come to life right before your eyes. You can also download it. Now let's hit play and see the magic.
Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Now, here's the bonus trick. Head over to the character list and pick any character. I'm choosing Cowboy for now. Notice something? The voiceover option has changed. So, try out different characters. Find the voice that suits your vibe and make it part of your avatar. It's all about finding the perfect match. Let me know if this video hit the spot for you. I can't wait to see your avatar shine without you spending a single penny.